Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So on the SUI chart, the price is moving up, but in very choppy ways. Okay. Now I'm assuming the price is on its way to 581 plus. That's the 100% extension of this last rally, which I'm labeling as wave A of 3. So the target would be for wave C of 3. If you're wondering why on earth is the third wave an ABC structure? I know it is tricky. I also don't like it so much. The alternative would be to put the wave 2 here, but then the move up isn't really impulsive, so we'll have to. I mean, smallest time frames often include distortions, but it is overlapping. It's choppy. This rally was clearly in 3 waves, so I think the best pathway would be to see it as a diagonal pattern to the upside. Honestly, we're at a point where a top could be in at any point. If not, then I think we are only going to see a few more upside squiggles next to 581, possibly 621. So this is sort of the next 621 and 581 are the next upside levels. Then another 4-5 pattern would be ideal. Yeah, this is what I'm watching for. These are sort of the next targets that we are tracking. But we need first a break above the last swing high at 534. Any upside from here, not high confidence, but I would slightly prefer it. I mean, if I gave you probabilities, maybe 60-40, 60%, a little higher to complete circle wave 3, 40% wave 3 has already topped. Very subjective, and that's only gives you an idea of where I think we are heading, because we are close to a top, I believe, in this circle wave 3. So far, I haven't confirmed the top yet. I think there was one instance where I thought the circle wave 4 had already started, but that was months ago. Since then, the focus has been on higher prices. And overall, even, this is the main risk area. I know it's far away and everything, but the nearest support levels are here, the red lines. These are the key levels against which we can focus on higher. So that said, as until we break below 392, there is absolutely no evidence a top is in. I mean, even a break below that last low here at 428, I wouldn't even call that very important. I think more important is the 392 level structurally, because that's an internal wave 2 low. Okay, then we can debate, okay, is the wave 2 going to reset? It might do. So then the next key level is 350. That's why I said before, I think we, until we get a break below $3, I have no confirmation circle wave 4 has started. But below 350, it will, circle wave 4 has started, yeah. Below 350, it will become very probable. Okay, below 350, it will become very probable. But as long as we are not even breaking below the nearest key level, the focus is directly on higher prices. And yeah, 581, 621, and then the next key level is $6.90. And when we look at the larger time frame for SUI, good performance so far. I mean, probably one of the best of all the coins I am covering, especially the move from the 2024 low, because this move up is impulsive. Many altcoins have not managed to create impulsive rallies. SUI has. And the idea is that this here is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and there could be this 4-5 pattern still, and key support is 199, and from a perspective of the daily time frame, I can tell you we are very close to a top. Now, okay, on the micro level, we might still go higher and everything, and that's also the forecast, especially as long as we're printing higher highs and higher lows, but this structure is becoming overlapping and choppy, especially compared to what happened here. Not calling a top yet, and if there is a pullback, it would rather be an opportunity. Then I would pay attention to 334 to 251 first. 199 would be very deep. I actually don't want the price to get there, okay? So ideally holds here at 251. This would be too deep for a wave 4. Not technically, but looking at it from a proportional point of view, it wouldn't have the right look anymore. So yeah, that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.